Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Now, do you guys have kids that like mac and cheese? And sometimes you have to make that boxed stuff, right? And it takes, I don't know, 12, 15 minutes. And I don't know if it's even really that good. Well, I bought some of this at Costco the other day. It's mac and cheese by Panera bread. Well, you can see how many we have left, right? There's 4 in here. We've got 1 left. Thought, well, we better do a Chef Dawg on it because my kids love it. The instructions, simple and easy. You just peel off that top and you put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. As you can tell, that looks a lot more like a restaurant style mac and cheese if you're asking me. Look at all the cheese in there. Okay, that's it folks. Take it off. 3 minutes later, we're gonna be tasting this. Okay, while that's in the microwave, give you some of the nutritional facts. 600 calories. Okay, well, 23 grams of protein, that's good. 48 grams of carbs and 36 grams of fat. 600 calories. Okay, well, if you have kids and they're really active, this is probably a really good meal for them. It should fill them up. Oh, and these right now, running at Costco, $9.99, and then it had a $2 rebate, so $7.99. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at, oh my goodness, that looks so good. No wonder my kids have enjoyed this so much. That looks a lot better than boxed mac and cheese. Okay, so this is Grayson. He's the one that you've eaten the 3.
Yeah.
Hey, you got barbecue on your face still.
Oh, do I?
Okay, what are your thoughts on there, son? Because you've eaten the other 3. Apparently you like it.
Well, so I would say that there's like a lot of cheese, but I wouldn't say it's like bad. Like, I don't know.
You like that there is a lot of cheese maybe? You like that?
Yeah.
Does it taste like mac and cheese?
Well,
It tastes like it's better for you? It's more wholesome, more like a whole food, like home cooked. Yeah, there you go. More like a home cooked. Instead of more restaurant style instead of your boxed kind, huh? I agree. I recommend it. What do you give it, Grayson?
I would give it an 8.
Oh, Grayson, he likes it. I'd give it like a 6.5 because I'm just not a big mac eater, but I agree. It's more restaurant style and quick. 3 minutes later, boom, done. Okay, hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Bye.